In this video, we will learn some basic elements of HTML. I have used CodePen today. Once you enter into the website, you will get an interface like this. In the HTML part, you can start coding for your HTML language. HTML always has two tags. One is opening tag and the other one is closing one. The first one here is opening and the next one is closing. In between these two, I'll start the coding for the rest of my website. I'm opening a body tag and I'm closing it. I'll be writing the rest content of the website. For example, I'm going to give a heading here like animals and its facts. Since this is an heading, I'm going to use a h1 tag, opening and an ending here. So now animal and its facts looks big and bold. Now I'm going to give a subheading here using h2 tag and I'm writing lion. Under this, I'm going to add a paragraph where I'm going to add some content about lion. Like, for example, lion is the only big cat that lives in pride. So H2 is a heading, looks like a subheading, and lion is the only cat that lives in a pride will be in a form of a paragraph. Similarly, go to the next line, use H2 tag again, and write another animal like a subheading. For example, I've written elephant. We'll also write a paragraph for this. Under elephant, I should see one statement. So I'm adding a paragraph tag. In between these two tags, I'm going to write the content for my paragraph. For example, though elephant is big, he cannot jump. So on the right side, you can see how your website is looking. How H1, H2 paragraph has changed the text. Now we'll add one more animal here using again H2 tag for subheading. Write the animal. Since I'm adding it within H2, it will be smaller than H1. Okay, once you have written the animal, in the next line, we'll write a paragraph for it. Comparatively, if you can see, H1, H2 are headings, so it's bold and black, but paragraph, since it's a paragraph tag, it makes the text look smaller. I'll write the content for this giraffe as well. Now, we have just used heading tags and paragraph today and we are able to create a simple website like this. You can also try giving a background color like I'm giving in the second line, BG color as pink. So this will make my website look pink in color. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more such contents.